my beautiful people, do you have issue with uneven tone skin? Do you have issue with spots on your skin? Do you have issue with blemishes on your skin? In this video, I'm coming to review on Pawpaw Lotion and also Kojic Acid Soap. These are two products or two combo that you can use to achieve a brightening skin tone when you use it consistently. And these two products is for dark skin people and it's for a caramel skin people. So if you have a caramel skin tone, you have a dark skin tone, please watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys how these two products plays a massive role on the skin. I'll share with you guys some few ingredients that I use to formulate Pawpaw lotion, and I'll share with you guys some few ingredients that is used to formulate Kojic Acid or Kojic Acid soap. I'll share with you guys who is supposed to use this two combo to brighten the skin, to lighten the skin, and to also nourish the skin as well. I'll share with you guys how you can use these two products very well, and also the side effect of not using this product very well. Pawpaw lotion is formulated for dark skin people who want to achieve a caramel skin tone. It's not recommended for a fair skin person. If you are a fair skin person and you use this Pawpaw lotion, you end up toning down your skin. But it's good for dark skin people who wants to achieve a caramel skin tone. And Kojic Acid is one of the best lightening or brightening soap that you can get in the market and use on your skin. This soap removes sunburn on the skin, it clears dark spots, it nourishes the skin, it removes dirt on the skin, and it also exfoliates dirt on the skin. These two products helps you to lighten the skin, it helps you to achieve even toned skin, it helps you to glow the skin, it helps you to nourish the skin as well. It's for normal skin people. This two combo is for normal skin people, it's for dry skin people, it's for a combination skin people, but it's not recommended for a sensitive skin person or an oily skin person. And if you are a dark skin person and you want to achieve a caramel skin tone, these two products will help you out. Pawpaw lotion, Kojic Acid soap. One thing I've noticed about these two products is that it gives you that kind of nice caramel skin tone like this lady. It makes the skin very soft and it makes the skin very smooth, and it clears dark spots on the skin. Pawpaw lotion also clears dark spots on the skin. This also clears dark spots on the skin. If you have dark spots on your skin and you want the dark spots to be cleared off on the skin, grab these two products and use on the skin. Okay, this is how you are supposed to use this two combination. You use this soap to bath morning and evening. Okay, you can apply it on your skin for some time, like 15 minutes to 20 minutes first thing before you go to the bathhouse. After the 15 minutes and then the 20 minutes, you raise it off on the skin and bath with the soap. Then after bathing and everything, you use this cream in the evening. The reason why I'm saying you should use it in the evening is that this soap contains hydroquine and kojic acid, citric acid. So don't use these two combination and expose the body under the sun. So the soap is supposed to be used to bath morning and evening, but then you use the lotion in the evening alone. With the help of this lotion, it's going to bring out that glowing skin that you want. Okay, and please don't use the cream on your face, use it only on the skin. Massage it on the skin very well. The side effect about this two products is that if you don't use it very well, you end up having dark knuckles. If you use it and you expose the skin under the sun, you end up having sunburn or dark knuckles. It itches the skin if you don't use it well, and it gives you burns on the face if you use the Kojic soap on your face. This two combo glows the skin, brightens the skin, lighten the skin, nourish the skin. It gives you even toned skin. So if you have ever used this soap and this lotion before, you can share your review with me under the video. Please do what to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification so that anytime I drop a video here, you would be the first to receive a notification from me. Thank you for watching, and I really appreciate you. Have a nice evening, and bye bye.